Deka uchiel nono machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Okinde ma pachoka kokale riwruoge ma Law Society of Kenya obago ng'anyo ka gikwedo weche mag seyo kata mag seyo doho mosebedo kuom kinde kawuok kuom piny owacho. Okinde boma ma Nairobi nobago ng'anyo gi e chuny boma ma Nairobi kowuok e doho ma malo mogik. Chris Owino ni e ng'anyo ma kamano kendo luonwa kaka weche dhiyo.
Witnessed an escalation of attacks on Kenya's judiciary through utterances by various leaders, including the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto. These concerning utterances erode judicial integrity and independence and paint as evil those who legally use courts to challenge government excesses. The East Africa Law Society is deeply concerned about these persistent attacks, which also violate the principle of separation of powers and judicial independence as enshrined in the Kenya's constitution, as well as in various international instruments, including the United Nations Basic Principles on the Independence of the Judiciary, the Bangalore Principles of Judicial Conduct, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the African Charter, and the Commonwealth Principles of the three arms of government. We joined the Law Society of Kenya, the Judicial Service Commission, and the Kenyan people in condemning the attacks and urge government officials to refrain from antagonizing the operations of the judiciary with the cornerstone, which is the cornerstone of any just society. The attacks also have the unintended consequence of eroding confidence in the judicial system. It is our assertion that the rule of law is essential for the progress and prosperity of any constitutional democracy, Kenya included. Where grievances are raised against any official in the judicial system, we urge that the same be addressed fairly, procedurally, and within the existing legal frameworks.
People power! Power! People power! Power! People power! Power! Long live Kenyans! Long live! Long live!